Hey guys, what's up? This is Chef Shreya. Welcome back to my channel OG Day. Today's recipe is a super easy one ingredient almond butter. This is the yummiest almond butter you're ever gonna have. So let's get on to the recipe without wasting any time. For making this almond butter recipe, we need some almonds. I have taken some California almonds here. We will take 2 cups of almonds and we will transfer it to a pan. Now we will start roasting our almonds. If we roast the almonds, it becomes more beneficial and easy to digest. We do not face any bloating or stomach upset. Secondly, if we roast the almonds, the heat helps to release oil faster. Now you can see that the almonds have started to roast. It's turning dark in color. Just make sure you roast the almonds on point and you don't burn it. We need to cook it till the time it turns dark brown blackish in color and some of the almonds starts to crack. Then we know that the almonds are roasted well. So this is how it's gonna look like. Next we are gonna transfer it to a plate and let it cool for about 10 minutes. While the almonds are still little warm, we will take a chutney blender which we have at home usually. We will transfer all the almonds in the chutney bowl. Guys, just make sure that the almond is still warm at this point of time. Now we will start grinding the almonds. First we will grind for 30 seconds. And we will grind for 30 seconds again. At this point you can see that we have reached the consistency of an almond meal. So we will scrape off the sides and we will blend it again for another 30 seconds. Also guys, just a quick reminder, if you make this, please tag us on your Insta story @OGDay and do subscribe and click the bell icon if you haven't done it already. At this point you can see that it started to release oil and started to become little sticky. We will scrape the sides again and blend it. So here you can see that the almond has released more oil. Our almond butter is almost done here. We just need one last grinding. We will grind it for another 30 to 45 seconds. And just look at that beautiful consistency, guys. Now we will transfer the almond butter to a glass container and that is how we can store our almond butter. It goes very well with a slice of toast, with a milkshake or a smoothie bowl. You can even make overnight soaked chia seeds. There are so many things you can use this almond butter in. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and share. See you guys soon with another fun recipe.